Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the topic AI in transportation. As you all know, transportation plays a significant role in our daily lives. The way we commute, the way we travel, and the way we transport goods are all crucial aspects that impact our lives. In recent years, the transportation industry has undergone significant changes due to technological advancements. One such technological advancement is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in transportation. AI has revolutionized the way we transport ourselves and goods. In this video, we will discuss the various applications of AI in transportation, how it is improving the transportation industry, and what the future of AI in transportation looks like. What is AI in transportation? AI in transportation refers to the use of machine learning algorithms and predictive analytics to improve the efficiency, safety, and sustainability of transportation systems. The application of AI in transportation involves the use of sensors, cameras, and other data sources to collect and analyze data. The data is then used to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve safety. Applications of AI in transportation. Autonomous vehicles. One of the most significant applications of AI in transportation is the development of autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles use AI and machine learning algorithms to operate without human intervention. They are equipped with sensors and cameras that collect data about the vehicle's surroundings, enabling it to make decisions and navigate without human input. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to improve road safety, reduce congestion, and increase fuel efficiency. They are also expected to revolutionize the transportation industry by reducing the need for human drivers and increasing the availability of transportation. Intelligent traffic management systems. AI is also being used to develop intelligent traffic management systems. These systems use data from cameras and sensors to analyze traffic flow and predict congestion. They can then adjust traffic signals, reroute traffic, and provide real-time traffic updates to drivers. Intelligent traffic management systems can help reduce congestion, improve safety, and optimize traffic flow. They can also be used to improve the efficiency of public transportation systems by reducing delays and increasing the accuracy of schedules. Predictive maintenance. AI is also being used to develop predictive maintenance systems for transportation vehicles. These systems use data from sensors and other sources to predict when a vehicle will require maintenance. They can detect potential problems early, allowing maintenance to be performed before a breakdown occurs. Predictive maintenance systems can help reduce downtime, increase vehicle lifespan, and improve safety. They can also help reduce maintenance costs and increase the availability of vehicles. Logistics and supply chain optimization. AI is being used to optimize logistics and supply chain operations. It can be used to predict demand, optimize routes, and reduce the time and cost of transportation. AI can also be used to optimize warehouse operations by predicting when inventory levels will be low, reducing the time and cost of restocking. Benefits of AI in transportation. Improved safety. One of the most significant benefits of AI in transportation is improved safety. Autonomous vehicles can reduce accidents caused by human error, and intelligent traffic management systems can help prevent accidents by optimizing traffic flow and providing real-time traffic updates. Reduced congestion. AI can also help reduce congestion by optimizing traffic flow and rerouting traffic. This can reduce travel times and increase the capacity of transportation systems. Increased efficiency. AI can increase the efficiency of transportation systems by reducing downtime, optimizing routes, and predicting maintenance needs. This can reduce costs and increase the availability of transportation. Reduced emissions. AI can also help reduce emissions by optimizing routes and reducing congestion. This can reduce the environmental impact of transportation systems and improve air quality. Challenges of AI in transportation. Data privacy and security. One of the most significant challenges of AI in transportation is data privacy and security. As more data is collected and analyzed, there is a risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. This can lead to the exposure of sensitive information, such as personal data and financial information. To address this challenge, transportation companies and governments must implement robust data security protocols and regulations to protect data privacy. Ethical concerns. Another challenge of AI in transportation is ethical concerns. For example, in the case of autonomous vehicles, there are concerns about the ethical implications of decision-making in potentially life-threatening situations. To address this challenge, there must be clear ethical guidelines and regulations in place to ensure that the use of AI in transportation is responsible and ethical. Infrastructure and investment. Implementing AI in transportation requires significant infrastructure and investment. This can be a challenge, particularly for developing countries or regions with limited resources. To address this challenge, governments and transportation companies must prioritize investment in AI and infrastructure to ensure that the benefits of AI in transportation are accessible to all. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry. From autonomous vehicles to intelligent traffic management systems, AI is already being used to improve safety, reduce congestion, increase efficiency, and reduce emissions. However, implementing AI in transportation also poses significant challenges, such as data privacy and security, ethical concerns, and infrastructure and investment. To realize the full potential of AI in transportation, these challenges must be addressed. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it informative and valuable. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.